Okay, members, today I show you that how to get Google AI Ultra on your own personal mail. No workspace, no domain. Just get a Google AI Ultra on your personal mail. Okay. First of all, you need to connect with a Indian VPN. I am using HMA and connecting to Indian server. Okay. You can use any good VPN. Connected. Done. Now you have to open this first one link in your browser. Use a fresh Gmail. I recommend you to use fresh one. Okay. And open this link. Also open another link too. Now click this button bind. Here are all the features you will get in your Google AI Ultra. Flow, Whisk, 25k credits. You can convert it to 45k soon. Okay. Notebook LLM, Google Anti-Gravity, most demanded. Now click on continue. Now here you will see pay with net banking and add your name and address here. Random 123. Use only Indian address. Okay. Random 123 and pin code and straight from this website. State is Uttar Pradesh. This one. Okay. Click save. Now click agree and continue. Wait here 1 to 2 minutes. Done. You can see here you got Ultra. Now you have to follow another step. Okay. Go to workspace.google.com. This link. Okay. Let me paste in Notepad too. Workspace. Click start free trial. No, sorry. Go here admin console. Get set up. Now here go to subscription. And you got this notification. Click pay now. You can use any valid card here. I am using PaySafe card. Change to my card. Let me pause and add my card here. Okay, you can see I added my card successfully, and you need payment in your card. 500 INR and $2. You need about $6 payment in your account. Okay, $6 payment. I already have more than $6 in my account. Okay, click continue. Pay now. You will get code in your email when you use PaySafe card. Done. Your payment is done. Okay. Now go to subscriptions. Click here and click edit setting. Now click here and select the last one. Okay, and save. Okay, done. You got 45 free credits in your Google AI Ultra on your personal mail. Let me check. Look, you need to pay on your Google account on Workspace, otherwise your account got suspended in 1 or 2 days. Okay, create workflow. Done. Check, you got 45,000 credits on your own personal mail in just about 5.6 or $6. Okay, okay, so it's the whole method recorded by Sun Labs, and it's a paid method. Whatever it's done. Okay, it's only for 1 month.